Now let's discuss the back exercise questions of chapter 6. First question: what type of climate is found in the deserts like that of Saudi Arabia? Saudi Arabia has a harsh climate. It has hot and dry climate with little or no rainfall. Hot and dry climate is there. Sometimes the rainfall is very less and sometimes there is no rainfall at all. The temperature is high during the day because the sand gets heated up, which makes the days hot. As we know, the nature of the sand is it gets heated up fast and cools down also very fast. When it gets heated up, it makes the days hot, and when it cools down in the evening, it makes the nights cool. In winter, the days are warm and the nights are very cold. Question number 2: how do the plants survive in a desert? Plants like cactus, kikar, and thorny bushes. They have swollen leaves, fleshy stems, and long roots. They store water in their long roots and fleshy stems for future purpose. This helps them to survive in a desert. Question number 3: what is an oasis? Name the crops that are grown around an oasis. A fertile area in the desert where underground water comes to the surface and forms a big pool is called an oasis. The crops that are grown here are wheat, barley, dates, melons, and vegetables like tomatoes. Question number 4: name the important tree of the oasis. How is it useful to the people of Saudi Arabia? The most important tree of an oasis is date palm. Date palm is very useful and important tree in the desert region. Dates are widely eaten. People used to eat dates as they are sweet and nutritious. They are also exported to other countries to earn money. The leaves and wood of the trees are used to make things like mats, baskets, building materials, etc. Question number 5: who are Bedouins? What do you know about their lives? The native people of Saudi Arabia are known as Bedouins. They are nomads who wander from place to place in search of food for them and their animals. They don't have permanent houses. They travel in groups on their camels across the desert. They travel in groups on their camels in a row across the desert. They live in tents made of camel's skin and they rear camels, sheep, and goats. Question number 6: why is the camel called the ship of the desert? Camel is called the ship of the desert because camels have padded feet which helps them to walk on loose sand. It can survive without food and water for many days as it stores its food in its hump, which is to be used in future. Camel skin is used to make tents. The hairs, the hair of the camels are used to make clothes, carpets, mats, ropes, etc. Camel's hair is used to make clothes, carpets, mats, ropes, etc. And they are also used to draw water from wells. So, due to all these reasons, camels are called the ship of the desert. Question number 7. What do you mean by liquid gold? Why is it so called? Mineral oil is also known as liquid gold, as the discovery of oil in Saudi Arabia and its export has made the country rich, due to which mineral oil is also called the liquid gold. That is why the mineral oil is also called the liquid gold. Last question. How has the life of the people of Saudi Arabia changed in recent times? Discovery of oil and its export has changed the life of the people. There are modern cities with skyscrapers, good roads, schools, and hospitals. Riyadh, is the modern city. It is the largest city and it is also the capital city. And it has all the modern facilities like skyscrapers, good roads, schools, and hospitals. Standard of living of the people has been improved, and seawater is purified in the desalination plant, and fresh water is being made available to the people for drinking purpose.